I'm Cody from Trailblazers, and today I'll tell you how to identify birds and all about birds. First, I'll start with how to identify birds. Step 1. Determine your location. The location is important, so you know what birds are at that location. Step 2. Determine the date of where you saw the bird. It is important to know the date so you know what birds are there at that time of year. Because birds migrate or birds that are wintering there. And choose the best size for the bird that you saw. There are 7 different bird sizes to choose from, such as sparrow size or smaller, between sparrow and robin, robin size, between robin and crow, crow size, between crow and goose size, or goose sized or larger. Step 4. The main colors are important. So you know, it is also important to know where the colors are on the bird, such as the head, back, or wings. What was the bird? Step 5. What was the bird doing, such as on the fence or wire, eating at a feeder, or swimming or wading? It's also a good idea to have a bird guide when identifying birds, such as Bird Guides of North America. And now it's also good to have if you wonder what I'm wearing. What? That's not. And other good equipment to have are jeans and a t-shirt and a hat. And then if you're birding in the summer, sunscreen. Now I'll tell you about the parts of a bird, parts of a feather, and where they are on the bird. Feather tip, notch, inner vein, shaft or races, parallel barbs, up curved edge, quill, outer vein, and down curved edge. The types of feathers are flight feathers. On the wings, there are 2 kinds of flight feathers, primary and secondary. The tail has 1 kind of feathers, brachiaries. Down feathers. These feathers keep all the birds warm. They sometimes pluck these feathers off to line their nests. Contour feathers, outer feathers on the bird. Phyloplume feathers. They are tiny feathers that tell the bird what to do, such as catching insects. Bristles. Bristle near its beak help it sense, touches, and catch insects. Now I'll tell you where the feathers are. Primary coverts, median coverts, lesser coverts, greater coverts, rectrices, tertiaries, secondaries, and primaries. Now I'll show you where the parts of the bird are and where they are on the bird. Tail, rump, wing, back, neck, tuft, crown, beak, forehead, chin, throat, breast, belly, feet, chorus. And now I'll tell you about the different birds. Different nests. Birds build and what bird builds a nest. Swallow builds in a hillock nest. Bald eagle builds a platform nest. Canada goose builds a ground nest. Mute swan builds a mound nest. Osprey builds a water platform nest. Burrowing owl builds a earth hole nest. Baltimore oriole builds a weaver nest. Pileated woodpecker builds a cavity nest. Cedar waxwing builds a cup nest, and killdeer builds a no nest. Lays eggs just on the ground. Now I'll tell you about flight. Airfoil is the shape of the bird's wing. The moving air of the bird's wing helps the bird get thrust. Weight, lift, thrust, and drag are the forces that act on a bird. Some birds that can be found in Virginia are ruby-throated hummingbird, mourning dove, great horned owl, bald eagle, great blue heron, osprey, house sparrow, greater yellowlegs, red-winged blackbird, Baltimore oriole, and northern cardinal. Today I've learned about the types of feathers and where they're located, parts of the bird and where they're located, flight, what the nest and what bird builds the nest, and the birds that can be found in Virginia. Thank you. Are there any questions?